Welcome back. We're gonna make a salmon dinner. I'm gonna put a little salt down. I've got about half of a salmon here. I'm gonna put some pepper. We usually do pesto on our salmon. I think I'm gonna put a couple garlic cloves on here, and with this pesto it has a ton of oil in it, so it should be really delicious. I'm just gonna use this last little bit. This stuff is so good. Can put this stuff on so many things. It's delicious. My family doesn't really like it, so I never really had it growing up. I really like it. I have a big old piece of salmon and I cut it in half. I'm gonna put the other bit in the freezer and we're gonna cook this part up. This should be plenty enough for my little family and we will tear it up. Eat this thing up. Okay, I'm gonna keep this in the wrapper and just give it a little hit. Just hit it on the head. Oh no, I'm trying to prevent a mess. Okay, I'm trying to contain the mess, but I'm just gonna put a couple cloves nestled right into this pesto. It's very oily, so it should just roast right up in the oven. I'm gonna wrap this up in this foil and bake it, I think at about 350 for probably 20 to 30 or 40 minutes. Our oven is small, so I usually prefer to cook it lower than slow and low so it doesn't burn. We'll go with that. And again, I'm hoping that'll roast up really well. That could have been catastrophic. I had a couple white onions that were going bad. I pureed them in my blender. I think I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on there. That should be good. It's going to be very watery, but that's going to be okay. And just because, I'm going to go in with some Lowry's. We're going to wrap this up nice and tight and put it in the oven. After I put a couple pieces of butter. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I prefer mine more well done, so I'll eat that skinny part over there, and I'll wrap this nice and tight and cook it right here on this pan in the oven. I've got some questionable looking potatoes. We're gonna clean these up, cut them up, and boil them for mashed potatoes. I'm gonna cut off any gross bits or bits that won't be good in my mashed potatoes, and also green bits. I washed them up good. Now we're just gonna give them a nice little even chop. I've got my giant pot. We're in our camper if you're new here, and we love traveling. We love hanging out with each other and making delicious food. I'm just gonna throw these in there for now, and I'm gonna rinse them off before I start boiling them. Weird little chunk. We're gonna make salmon and potatoes, pesto salmon and potatoes. It's gonna be delicious. We don't mind the skins on. If it's gonna be a weird bit, I'll just chop that off. I have way too much water in there. The russet potatoes, which is what these are, we don't mind the skins. Now the yellow potatoes, I think they're yellow, the skins are a little weird. So I haven't really purchased those or grew up with them. I didn't really grow up with them, so I tried them a couple times. Well, that was not even, that's okay. Some of these are just weird and I don't know if they're gonna be good anymore. So I'm gonna try to salvage what I can, if possible. The train's hollering a lot. Potatoes are delicious. We're just gonna make a nice garlicky mashed potato. A lot of garlic. The starch in the potatoes makes a big mess on the stove. Gotta clean the stove constantly, y'all. It's awesome making homemade food. What is your favorite thing to pair salmon with? What do you put on your salmon? We got this salmon on sale. It was quite a good deal, and we can't eat the whole thing, so it's really a good deal for our little family. It's good for you. It's a healthy, simple meal. I scrubbed these good, washed them up. Now is the freakier ones. Okay, they don't look bad. Just a little imperfect. These will get a nice rinse. Once I put them in here, I'll dump that water and rinse them off. Now this one, see, not good. The whole thing might be a goner. It's not great. That one's toast. Now this one I think is toast also. It's okay, but see, I might need to do more. This pot's a little excessive. And we'll boil this, salt the water, and cook them up till fork tender. Hey, alright y'all, the potatoes are done. I've got this little bit of garlic in my fridge. We're gonna throw it in the bottom of this pot, cook this up. I'm gonna turn the heat on low. We're gonna get some butter in here. I've got an exploding colander full of potatoes, so I think we're gonna go in with 5 tablespoons. Can always add more. We're gonna add sour cream, milk, salt, pepper, maybe more garlic powder, but possibly some cheese, and it'll be delicious. I don't think that's enough garlic, so we're gonna add a little more. 2 garlic cubes from the freezer. I'm almost out of garlic. Alright y'all, it's really cooking up now. It should be cooked, that garlic. Now before we get this burnt, I'm going to cut the heat. I'm going to add this hefty bit of potatoes back in. They've been evaporating for at least 5 minutes. We're gonna salt it. It's probably still not even enough. Lots of pepper. I'm gonna open this brand new sour cream. This Great Value lid is super hefty. I'm gonna use this crazy spoon so I don't contaminate my sour cream. Oh boy. Here's my ton of mashed potatoes. Here's the salmon. Now, I don't know if my husband's gonna enjoy this garlic much. I'm gonna eat this thinner piece with some mashed potatoes. This is a nice hefty piece. And the skin came right off. We are going to just scoop some up. This pot of mashed potatoes is massive. I'm gonna serve him up a ton. And we're going to put a little bit of cheese. Alright, y'all, here you have it. Salmon and mashed potatoes. Delicious, easy dinner. Pretty cheap too. Probably under $7 a plate. So good. Beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, consider subscribing, giving this video a like, and follow us along for more. Let us know what you think, how you cook salmon, what you do to your potatoes. Let us know. Comment down below. We appreciate y'all and hope you have a fabulous day. Bon appetit.